Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain PS5 how to fix mic buzzing, static, cracking, and echo background noise on mic. Press the PlayStation button from your controller. Now, go to microphone. Check here your headset is connected or not. Then, go to adjust microphone level. Now, select the microphone level bar to the 50%. Now, go to back and press the PlayStation button. Now, click on sound icon. Set output device as headset. Now set the audio balance to the center, then adjust the mic and video according to your preference. Now go to game base and go to mic icon, open the party voice chat, then click on bottom three dots. Now adjust the audio balance here. Now click on voice chat settings. Now click on share your voice. Then select it as don't allow. By following the steps, you can fix mic buzzing, static, cracking, and echo background noise on mic.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.